See what I'm saying? Black cars always look good when they're clean.
Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how I keep my 2019 Ram 1500 still looking new after almost a year of ownership, even though it's a black truck. Just believe me when I tell you, owning a black vehicle, car, truck, van, SUV, all of the above is not an easy task. If you've owned one before or if you've seen a clean one before, you know that it's worth it. Now this right here, this is the devil. You stay away from the devil, okay? Another tip that I like to use is try and leave it in the shade. Anytime you're getting water on it, you get water spots if it's in the sun, so try and only pull up where the truck or vehicle, whatever it is in the actual shade. Always bring my own cleaning supplies and microfibers. You can see I brought my own bucket. Really try and never scrub the vehicle unless I absolutely have to, and in that case I bring my own bucket because I don't use the brush. First one we're gonna use is the pre-soak. We're gonna use the pre-soak, see if we can get any of this debris, any of the mud off, pretty much all the gunk off before we actually start rinsing it. Alright, so now that we've done a pre-soak, which should loosen up all the dirt, the grime, the bugs, all that stuff, now we're going to actually rinse it for the first time. Key here is always work top to bottom, top to bottom. Alright, so now that we rinsed it, we're actually going to start throwing some soap on there. Just want to layer this up as best as you can. This thing is spraying so erratically, but we'll make it work. Alright, so we got it all soaped down. One thing I do say, make sure you still soap the inside of the fender wells, the wheels, everything really good, even underneath, because if anything's dirty, right when we drive out, all that dirt and mud just gonna fling back over the truck. So now, we're gonna rinse off all this soap. Alright, so now we're gonna use their little clear coat protectant just to get the rest of everything off. And then we're gonna start drying it. All right, so the truck is all rinsed off, everything's off. Now we're gonna dry it. I've brought some really nice, clean, plush microfibers. So I don't like to use like your normal microfiber. We like to use these larger ones. They're a lot softer. I forget the material count for them, but these are really nice and plush. We'll use those for the paint. And then I always bring these to kind of do like the wheels or the bumpers, because I don't really care about the chrome bumpers. I'm not a fan of chrome anyways, but I like to use these nicer rags for the paint. You want to make sure these are absolutely clean. And then if the paint is dry, you want to use something like this, which is like a detail spray. You guys will not believe what just showed up to the car wash. Let's see if we can go get a video of it. Oh shoot. Is this the one you're building on the engine stand?
Yeah.
Damn, that looks good.
That whole subframe.
Shoot, that looks good. Damn.
The seat cover just came in today, so don't judge me on the seats. I gotta finish the seats with new carpet.
Still, interior looks good.
That dash, that was out of another car.
Dang, dude, that looks good. So you just gotta replace the seat covers, that's it, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna dye these the dark blue, so it'll all match.
Is that a factory color?
Yeah, well, it's a factory color, but not on this car.
Oh, okay.
It was the one right above it. It was an aqua kind of color.
Yeah,
I didn't like the aqua.
Yeah.
So we went with more of a steel blue kind of.
Dude, that's sweet.
Out on that truck. Looks good.
I love the color. Woo! That thing opens.
Comes up. They do all the amps.
Oh, they're back there.
Put the
Hell
sub behind this, and my battery's behind that.
I think so everything's hidden up.
Yeah.
Dude, that looks killer.
And still have rooms to get the T-tops and maybe a bag or-
Yeah. All right, so I use this nice microfiber, really plush, to get most of the water off. And then now we're gonna hit it with a quick detail spray with a fresh rag. So something like this. And we're gonna use, where did it go? There it is. We're gonna use this one, just an Americana quick detail spray. A lot of the quick detail sprays are pretty similar, so that one will work. Look at that. GT350, that's sweet. See what I'm saying? Black cars always look good when they're clean. That exhaust note though. Man, all the cool cars are at the car wash today. It's not even Friday, it's just Thursday. So we're gonna hit the whole truck with some quick detail spray, and then we're gonna hit the wheels, and then we're gonna hit the windows. So just a quick little tip, I like to spray the rag directly, that way the rag's not completely dry, because you want to be dragging a dry rag across the paint, and then I'll spray just a little bit on the paint. Alright, so I also like to take some quick detail spray with a microfiber, not a clean one, use one that you've already used, and clean up the door jambs. That way, when you open the door, water isn't coming out and putting water spots all over the paint. And so now what I'm going to do is I like to use this stuff. It's Carb Pro Reload Silica Spray Sealant. So what this does, if you have a ceramic coating, it kind of reloads it, hence the name. But it also keeps dust and debris off of the vehicle, off of the paint, so it keeps it cleaner a little bit longer. So now that I've wiped all the water marks and white marks off, I'm gonna hit it with this stuff with a clean microfiber, and then we're gonna hit the windows. Guys, there's only one thing to do after you've spent countless hours cleaning your black vehicle. It's to get some Chick-fil-A, because Chick-fil-A is the best chicken sandwiches. Don't at me, Popeyes. However, I will say, great marketing done by Popeyes. They probably sold more in a day than they have in a single month. It's been insane. Popeyes has been sold out of chicken, but I stay truthful to my Chick-fil-A. So like I said, guys, black paint is the best color choice if you keep it clean. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. As always, make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Vammy39. I will see you guys on the next one. Looks like Joe unplugged his Tesla. Joe, what happened to your car yesterday?
I was trying to get some photos taken, and the photographer left all my stuff on and killed the battery.
Why would he do that?
He doesn't know anything about cars.
He wanted you to work on his car. So he sabotaged the photo shoot.
Sabotaged the photo shoot so we couldn't do anything. And now here we are.
So yeah, pretty sure Joe's alternator went out yesterday, but I'm gonna drop a few photos here. But if you want to see the rest of them, gotta go follow Streetcar Joe on Instagram. He's gonna be posting them throughout the
Hey, I want everyone's opinion real quick. David laughed at me for this, and I want to hear what everyone else says. So we're fabbing up this exhaust, right? And Dave's like, oh, you should put your name on it. Since it's fabbed up, titanium's pretty cool.
When did I say that?
I don't know. But anyway, so I told David, it's like, okay, well, hey, can you make me the file? Because I want to put you know, the Instagram logo at Streetcar Joe. He's like, you're gonna put your Instagram name on my car? I'm like, she's kind of cool with me.
I think just Streetcar Joe or Streetcar Fab or something, but
So put
no
your
at
opinion
sign
down below. Do you think I should put my Instagram name on there? Because it's not like I have a business. Like, I can't put Joe's Fab. Joe's Fab doesn't.
This is a business. It's just private. We only do private vehicles.
Yeah. So I think I should put at Streetcar Joe on it.
Look at that shirt. If you didn't get a shirt like this, you lost.
I got that shirt. I did not lose.
So yeah, let us know, where do you want to put it?
Yeah, I don't know. There's no good spot to really put it.
That'd be like the only, because the other
Okay.
spot's gonna hide.
Yeah,
and then this starts
going
going
up,
up.
and then it goes up. You don't want it crooked.
I think somewhere. I guess you'd have to angle it maybe with the pipe. I don't know. It won't be able to be very big, but I'm definitely down to put Streetcar Joe.
Oh, now
Or-
you are?
Just not the @ sign. The @ sign's weird. I think. What happens when Instagram goes away? You'll still be Streetcar Joe. There just won't
True.
be an @ sign.
I'm sure your car will still be in my garage.
That's probably true.
You're not gonna piss off the wife, are you?